Scan to SharePoint with Goscan. The missing link to SharePoint. Goscan is the missing link between your paper and SharePoint. If you need to put paper documents into SharePoint, you need Goscan. Although SharePoint is great at storing vital information, it lacks a way to scan documents. Goscan drives paper to SharePoint through any image capture device. If you need fast, accurate indexing for SharePoint, you need Goscan. Goscan provides semi or fully automatic indexing of documents into SharePoint. Semi-automatic indexing is accomplished via manual indexing assisted by database connection, or fully automatic indexing is provided through full-text OCR or barcode separator sheets. Scan with Goscan and view the documents in SharePoint. Scanning with Goscan to SharePoint is simple. Select File, Export, and Connectors. Choose the SharePoint Server Repository option. Insert your username, password, and domain if necessary. Enter the entire fully qualified URL to the document library where the forms will be going, and click OK. Next, you'll set up the cover sheet by going to Edit, Cover Sheet, and you can choose either paper or the electronic manual entry. We'll use paper. Next, we'll choose Add to create a new cover sheet. We'll call this one Scan to SharePoint. We're going to name the output file based on data that comes from the image itself. And we're going to make it dynamic mode, meaning that the barcodes will always change. We're going to save the cover sheet as the beginning of the image. Next, we'll create the fields. Select Manual Entry, and since this is a dynamic cover sheet, choose Variable. Give the field a name. In this case, we're going to use Contact ID. And we're going to click on the ellipse for SharePoint. This will connect to our SharePoint server. We can choose the Contact ID field. Choose another field. This one will be first name. Select the first name field from your SharePoint database. And our last field will do last name. Next, we'll choose the two fields that we're going to name our file, which is first name and then last name in that order. We'll save our cover sheet and click OK. Goscan is now ready to scan our documents and index them into the SharePoint server. Simply put the paper in the scanner and click the Scan button. Goscan reads the barcodes and indexes the information and then uploads it to the SharePoint server. Once this process is done, you can go to your SharePoint server, go into the library that you've defined for Goscan to send the documents, and simply refresh the view. The document has been named by the first name and last name, and the metadata has been uploaded to the database. Simply clicking on the document allows us to view the document, which in this case is a PDF, and we can see each page that was scanned in. With Goscan, scanning to SharePoint is simple, smart, and secure. If you would like more information, you may call us at area code 949-829-5822 or by sending an email to info@goscan.com or visit our website at www.goscan.com.